All right, good morning, everyone. Fast Track Mason here with the Fast Track Storm Center. Hope you guys are off to a great start on your Tuesday morning. Welcome to Fast Track Morning Weather, first of all. Hope you guys had a great holiday weekend. Yeah. And we have a lot to talk about today, and I'm telling you what, one of the coolest days ever. So you can see here right away, as you see here on Fast Track Doppler Radar, we are scanning the skies this morning. We are clear across the area. Still, a few flurries have been showing up here on the radar, however, over towards Clark and Greene County as well. And not much in the way of any accumulation over there. So not a whole lot of impact over there, just some light dusting. However, if I can, let me get my scenes up here. There we go. If we look at here at our current temperatures this morning, we are well down into the single digits this morning. We are near zero across the area. You can see 9. I believe it's 9. Is that 9? Let me look. Yeah, it's 9. Sorry. 9 down in Wilmington, 7 down in Butler County, 9 in Miamisburg, 5 in Vandalia, 7 over in Clark County. Look at this. It's even colder as you get across, as you go further north into the Miami Valley this morning. 3 in Darke County, 0 up in Auglaize County. Look at this. Over here in our new counties, that's another thing, by the way. We have 3 new counties, by the way, that have been added to the Fast Track viewing area. That would be Madison, Delaware, and Henry counties in Indiana. These counties, just like Randolph County, are covered by the Indianapolis office. So now I'm going to be covering weather coming in through the Indianapolis viewing area. Okay, so welcome these 3 new counties, by the way. So anyway, 5 over around Madison County, Indiana, and these will be climbing today. But take a look at this. These are current wind chills across the area. This is what it feels like right now, folks. You see wind chills are near zero, if not well below zero, okay? So you can see here we're straight up at 0 down in Butler County, -4 over in our new Indiana counties, 6, I believe that's 6, -6 possibly down in Wilmington, -3 in Miamisburg, -7 in Vandalia, as well as over in Clark County. And like I said, it gets colder as you head across the far northern Miami Valley. So -8 in Darke County. Look at that. This is very much below zero. -12 in Auglaize County this morning. That is the lowest I've ever seen a wind chill go. Okay, so keep in mind, like I said, this is what it feels like across the area. Okay, so when you factor in the current temperature, the actual air temperature with those winds, that's how you get the wind chill. Okay, and because of that, we have this. It's a cold weather advisory. It's what used to be called the wind chill advisory. Okay, so we have this in effect until 10 o'clock this morning. But hold on, first of all, because not all the counties are 10 o'clock. Okay, so give me 1 second here. Cold weather advisory. Okay, so for our 3 new Indiana counties, Madison, Delaware, Henry, and Randolph. Randolph's not one of our new ones. Randolph's been part of the viewing area for a long time. But for those 4 counties, that cold weather advisory goes until 9 o'clock this morning for wind chills as 12 below zero. Okay, so that would make sense because we are seeing wind chills that already below zero, well below zero, across mid-eastern Indiana, mid and eastern Indiana, rather. And then for the Miami Valley, for our Wilmington counties, for our counties that are covered by Wilmington, the National Weather Service in Wilmington, cold weather advisory for Fayette, Union, Wayne counties in Indiana, as well as Auglaize, Champaign, Clark, Darke, Greene, Logan, Mercer, Miami, Montgomery, Preble, and Shelby counties. That goes until 10 o'clock this morning for wind chills as low as 15 below zero, okay? And then we got another one as well. Let me find it here. Okay. And then we've got this one down here. Butler, Clinton, and Warren counties down here, okay? I forgot they put it all together. 2 wind chills when you click on it, okay? Okay, so we got this one that goes until 10 o'clock this morning for wind chills 15 below zero. I believe that's correct. Yeah, 15 below zero for these counties. And then for Butler, Clinton, and Warren, which are Ohio River counties, by the way. The Ohio River counties go from 5 o'clock this afternoon. Okay, hold on. Yeah, until 10 o'clock a.m. today, okay? Till 10 o'clock this morning for Butler, Clinton, and Warren counties. That is for wind chills as low as 10 below zero. Okay, so that would make sense because we are already seeing these wind chills go down, okay? Like I said, we already have a wind chill of 0 in Butler County. So that is the latest on that right there. I'll go ahead and take these, the advisory off. The advisory's off. And what we'll do is we'll switch over to the graphics, or, you know what, I want to take the current wind gusts. I want to see how high they are this morning. Okay, so this is current wind gusts right here across the area. And hopefully we can get the digits to load. And they are on the breezy side, okay? So that is good. So we're not dealing with like a winding morning, okay? But, however, getting over to our graphics, I have to switch it over here as well. There we go. Okay, so you can see here today and tonight's forecast. So today we're going to be dealing with sunny skies with temperatures climbing near 20, okay? So that's going to get these temperatures out of the teens, okay? It'll still be cold throughout the day today, so make sure you stay bundled up, okay? But we'll be hitting near a high of 20 today, okay? Tonight, partly cloudy skies early, then cloudy skies late, okay? So that's gonna knock our temperatures down to 15 tonight, okay? Your fast track 7-day forecast looks like this, okay? So like I said, it's gonna be sunny today with a high of 20, alright? Tomorrow, cloudy with a high of 39 and a low of 15. So we're gonna be waking up again, cold in the morning, but temperatures getting pretty close to that freezing mark. Thursday, mostly cloudy with a high of 28 and a low of 21. Friday, mostly cloudy as well with a high of 19 and a low of 16. Saturday, now big difference in the temperature area, okay? Saturday, cloudy with a high of 10 and a low of 2. Sunday, mostly cloudy with a high of 18 and a low of 7. And then Monday, partly cloudy with a high of 20 and a low of 6. So it is going to get extreme. It is going to be cold. We're going to be dealing with temperatures fluctuating, okay? From the teens all the way back to the single digits, okay? Be sure to follow me on Facebook and YouTube. They're both the same. The Fast Track Storm Center, right there. So make sure you give me a follow and a like on there as well. So hope you guys have a great day. Take care. Stay warm out there, all right? And I'll see you guys next time, all right? Bye for now.